Hello class, Miss Aarons here with lecture 8.7. We're going to be talking about mutations today. So what is a mutation? Okay, mutations happen in the chromosomes, okay? After today, you should be able to contrast gene mutation and chromosomal mutations. So mutations, here's a mutation right here. We have a two-headed turtle. It's obviously a mutation. Okay, and that's going to be, a mutation is going to be a change in the genetic material. Most are minor. Many are harmful, some are lethal, and very few are very helpful. So some mutations aren't helpful. We have, I guess it'd be a conjoined turtle here. There are a couple different kinds of mutations. The first one is a gene mutation, and that produces a change in a single gene. So that would happen here. Where this one is changed. It's a mutant sequence. Right there. Instead of a T binding to an A, it accidentally gets with a G, and that causes the mutation. Chromosomal mutations produce a change in the whole chromosome. So right there. It's showing you the process. So first we have the original, then we have a deletion, that's another one. Then we have an inversion, which is going to be something flipped. Translocated, so that's going to be, it's going to be located differently. And then last, duplication, where we have a gene that's doubled. Point mutations occur at a single point. They involve changes over one or few nucleotides. So right here we have a point mutation, and instead of it being an A, it changes to a C. Point mutations are substitution on one base is changed to another. So right here we have this base, okay, got changed from this base. It usually affects no more than one single amino acid. So you can see the amino acids right here, and it's a different amino acid. Deletions or frame shift mutations. It's when a base is removed from the DNA sequence, and it's going to have a dramatic effect because it's going to move the whole frame. So if we have this one that gets deleted, then we're left with these three, these three, these three, these three, and those are incomplete instead of it being the normal. So think of that deletion. You're just deleting one whole amino acid. Insertions, which is going to be a base is inserted into the DNA sequence. So these vocabulary words should be fairly easy for you because they're all using the same base words. So right here you can see that an extra pair of amino acids there is inserted into the DNA sequence. So here's what it should be normally, and then you have an extra one put in. And they cause dramatic effects. You can see if it was inserted, then the whole frame shift is going to be off, and you will end up with different amino acids as well. So frame shift mutations are going to shift the reading frame of the genetic message, and those are the insertions and deletions. Those are going to move what you would read for the amino acids. And here's another example. Chromosomal mutations involve the changes in the number of chromosomes in the structure. We have deletion, which involves the loss of part of a chromosome. So again, deletion, just think of it deleting, like you would use on your keyboard, the backspace button. So you can see it deleting that chunk of the chromosome and it's making it shorter. Duplication is going to provide extra copies of parts of the chromosome. So duplication, think of it multiplying, okay, and you're going to add a whole section of the chromosome, so it's going to be longer. Inversion is going to be reverses. So think of it the inverse operation. It's going to reverse the direction of the part of the chromosome. And you can see it flipping. Translocation is going to move from one chromosome and it's going to attach to another. So you can see it coming from this chromosome and moving down to this one. And that is it for mutations. Have a great day. Shout out to Miss Rutledge for cutting the strawberries. There you go.